Welcome back to the Mind Your Newness channel. I'm Apostle Steve, and today we're going to do some mindfulness drawing, doodling, direct drawing, whatever you want to call it. But the idea is not to take it seriously and to draw direct. Now, I'm using a Sharpie marker, and there are no pencil lines to guide me. There's no plan. I'm just drawing direct whatever I feel and whatever comes to mind. So this is what is on my heart to draw today, and we're going to go through it. Now, as you can see, I'm just laying down some initial lines. Again, I'm not really thinking about where I'm placing the lines or what I'm trying to draw. I'm just kind of going with the flow, going with my instinct, and that's the idea. If I make a mistake, that is okay because mistakes usually turn out to work in your favor when you're doing this type of drawing. So try not to think too much when you're doing these types of drawings. Again, it's like doodling. When you doodle, you're just drawing whatever you feel or whatever comes to mind, and you just let it happen. And that's the trick to this type of drawing. You just let it happen. Whatever happens, happens, right? And again, you don't want to think too much as you do it. You just want to do it. And whatever may be, will be. And you will find a way to correct the mistakes. Now, I did make a little mistake under the eyelash there with the eyelashes there on left, the left hand side, but I will come back to fix that. And you just keep working, through, and that's what I love about these types of drawings. I do them all the time. It's a way for me to release stress. It's a way for me to relax and definitely loosen up and warm up when I know I have bigger projects waiting for me. But it's really fun, and I definitely suggest that you try it out. Don't think about too much of your outcomes. Don't think about your outcomes at all. Just keep piling through, keep barreling through, work through the process, and you will definitely be pleased. Now, as you can see also, I'm starting to darken in some of those lines. And what makes these drawings very powerful is the different weights of the lines. There's some areas where you see I'm doing some line shading and I'm putting little shadows here and there. Just kind of beefing up the lines at this point because that's what is giving the drawing more character. So, your first lines are going to be light initial lines, but as you go through and put more weight on the lines, or you put more emphasis on some of the lines, your drawing is definitely going to start taking more shape. And I love this part of the drawing because this is where it actually starts taking place. And again, I have no idea of where this is going to go. I just know that something is happening and I'm allowing it to happen. So you don't want to get caught up in what it's going to look like, or even if you like it or not. The idea is just to go with the flow. And believe me, you will have a great time doing it. Now, also, you can also emphasize certain parts of your drawing just by the use of line, and that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just drawing in some lines and kind of shading in a few of them here and there, just to put emphasis on that shadow part of the hair. So you don't have to color everything in. You can use line, you can use texture. Be creative, you know, just see where things can be used and needed. And most of the time, you'll find that you'll do these things by instinct, you know. So the hair part is something that I always have fun with because the hair is a big part of the face. It's a big part of the character that makes the character and feel of the emotion of the portrait, if you want to call this a portrait, and you can have fun with it. You know, here I'm just beefing up the lines again. I'm making them thicker in some areas and just kind of filling them in as I go along. And as you can see, it's really starting to make the drawing pop. Now, I started actually drawing like this a couple years ago. I was um, I was at work and I had a little bit of downtime, and I was like, you know what, I feel like I want to get a quick drawing in, but I didn't have much time, so I drew something really quick on an 8x10 white piece of paper, just like this, right? And I was so pleased with it. I said, this is something that I can definitely explore and do more of. And I've been doing these types of drawings ever since. And it's just a way for me to blow off some steam, to relieve stress, to definitely express myself and not feel the pressure of doing a great painting or drawing, but just to have fun, just to connect with my my artistic talent. And I just love doing it. So I'm pretty sure that if you start doing this, you may feel uncomfortable at first. I know I did, but you will gain the confidence to just do it. And believe me, I know that I'm probably making this look easy, but there's no secret to this. You just do it, right? You just throw some lines down, fill them in, enhance them, and go with your gut because your gut is not going to lie to you. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Get out there, create something, do something just for you. And believe me, you will amaze yourself, you will amaze others, and you will be totally pleased by the outcome. I love you all. Yahweh bless, and I will talk to you all again soon.